Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with an unboxing of some Happy Mail swap. This is for hashtag Stuff Stocking Swap 24, and this wonderful collaboration is hosted by Martha Makes Art, Jennifer from Scrapbook and Memories, and myself, Paper Confessions with Karamia. A big thank you again to our hosts, Martha and Jennifer, for inviting me to co-host. I'm super excited because this is our second annual. I joined last year and it was a blast. I wanted to do a quick shout out to all our wonderful creators that will be joining. So let me mention their names according to the swap partner assignment. Our first pair is Crafting Whimsy and Petey Pie Designs. There's Lbcards and Craftroom Stories, Crafting with Kathi Lee and Paper Confessions with Karamia, Paper Play with Jodie and Crafty Mama, Crafty Endeavors and I Love Glitter and Glue, Virginia Martin and Creating with Jovi, Martha Makes Art and Design with Purpose by Lisa, Kawaii Memo Love and Kim's Inspired Life, Your Crafty BFF, and Scrapbook and Memories. As always, I will be linking their channels down below in the description box. Make sure to add it to your holiday playlist. I'm sure you guys are going to have fun seeing some inspiration and also just having fun seeing Happy Mail unboxings. I love watching these types of videos. So real quick, I had pre-recorded my reveal video and I realized I may have mispronounced my partner's name. So Kathi, let me know if it's Kathi Lee. I have a friend who has the same exact spelling, but she goes by Katie, and I may had said it that way in that video. So I apologize. If it's Kathi, put 1 in your comment. If it's Katie, put 2. So let's open it up. We have this big box. Oh my gosh. And I am excited. So we were to include 1 stocking that we were going to stuff with 2 required items, which is an ornament and a handmade item, and 5 additional items, which is anything. It's a crafter's choice. So for me, since Katie is, or Kathi is a new friend to me, I did a Q&A. We emailed each other and answered those questions. So it gave me a better idea and gave me some fun facts about herself. So it's wonderful to get to know her. And I am so excited to see what she has sent me. Oh my gosh. Now, she is an amazing crafter. She makes journals. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to pull them. She also does some hauls and unboxings. Look at that. We have a denim stocking. Oh my gosh, this is too much. There is a lot of goodies in here. Happy. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me put the items to the side. I see so many cuties, but we will open them. And she has gift wrapped them so beautifully. I want to do it justice. So let me flip this over. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful stocking. Did you make this? This is amazing. I love that it is denim and it looks like she's sewn some quilt patches on it. How amazing is that? Look at the detail. Look at the stitching. And we have these florals for dimension. Here's the bottom part. This is such a fun idea. Look at the trim. We have a little dangle there. And then we have a little loop. So let me pull out the first item. Let's pull them out. I don't see a note, so I'm just going to show you as I see them. This is such a beautiful denim. I love denim stocking. I've never had one, so this is amazing. Our first item here, and it smells really wonderful. It's a candle, Mary Berry Marshmallow scented candle that smells really good. So I'm just going to put this on top. This will go perfectly on our pastel counter. My daughter Emmy decorated part of our kitchen counter with pastel colors, so that will go perfectly. Now, what do we have here? I am curious. So we have some of this wood little dangle that she put together. Oh my goodness. Do you see that little bird? That is too cute. I'm going to add that to my nature journal. Let's open up this first one. And then we'll just keep going. Oh my goodness. This is why I love swaps too. You get to know another person and make a new friend. Sorry about the noise, but let's put that right there. Oh my gosh, she has given me some handmade flowers, beautiful colors, and that'll be perfect for Valentine's. And I love that. There's some shimmer on that. We also have some paper clips, and they're called trombone. How cute is that? That would be fun to put in a journal and hold some of our floating journal cards in place. Now look at the way she's packaged this with a tassel, and I love the trim. I can definitely reuse this. Let's open it up. I'm just gonna go from the bottom here. Okay. I'm excited. What is this? Is this a handmade item? Oh my gosh. This is a handmade item, and it's a Julie nutting card. How gorgeous is that? I love her red coat. Check out those boots and her skirt. It looks like it has a Christmas light design, but check out the dimensions she added on that. That is gorgeous. Here is the back of that card, and inside we have these gold foil die cuts. This would also make a beautiful base for a slimline journal. I may actually use that. So this is super beautiful. I love it, Kathi. Thank you so much for that. And now we're going to have a look at the additional items that she was to include. Now, she did email me. One of the items that she thought she had in the package was the ornament. So I'm going to be showing you that in a separate video because that package is still in transit. But again, thank you so much. Let's open our surprise package number 1 and look at the way she's wrapped that with our cute owl button. And then we have this beautiful trim and love this foil green wrapping paper. Oh my gosh. So let's open from the bottom here. Excuse the crinkling. I hope you guys don't mind. I kind of want to do this real time so that way we can really enjoy this together. Gosh, what did she put in here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You did not. Is it a Starbucks cup? Oh, how fun. I collect these. And this is a special one that she got from her own state, Montana. That is amazing. And I love espresso, so I'm definitely going to be using this and adding this to my small collection of Starbucks espresso cups. Thank you very much. That is super thoughtful and wow, super sweet. Love it. That is so cool. We have 3 more items. Here is the next package. Love the trim. It says Merry Christmas. I love using these in my December daily. And I'm hoping to share that with you guys sometime, probably towards the end of the year. When it's all complete, I may do a flip through. So let's see what's in this. What is it? Is it chocolate? Oh my goodness. I love peppermint bark, so that's awesome. I'm going to share this with the girls, with my 2 daughters. They're going to have fun eating that with some hot chocolate. So thank you very much for that. And then we have, look at this beautiful package. And she made a handmade bookmark. Love the dots that add dimension to that. It looks like she has done some mixed media painting. Love the tassel, and on the back we have the name of the artist. So okay, Noel Hawk, it looks like. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. I'm going to use that in a book that I'm actually currently reading. And let's open this up. This is so exciting. I don't think I wrapped my gifts as beautifully as you did, but I hope you enjoy discovering them as you open up or take out the items in your stocking. Now, what do we have here? Oh my goodness. I love Graphic 45 paper and I love Kewpie dolls. Do you see these Kewpie doll images? Look at the dimension that she added, and then the flowers and the imagery here is just beautiful. Now, is this a floating card? I think this is a beautiful topper that you can use for anything, really. You can use it for your Christmas journal. I love it. Thank you very much. She's also added additionally some Lindt chocolate icicles in milk chocolate. Again, I'm going to be sharing this with the kitties. So thank you very much. That's really cool. It looks like it has a little hanger, like it looks like an umbrella. And then you can hang it on the Christmas tree. That would be fun to put. Let me see if we can slide it out. Or I don't think I can, but that's what it looks like right there. Thank you very much. Let me just move that so you can see that beautiful card. And last but not least, there's one more item here. Oh my gosh. What did you get me? This is amazing. Look at that bow. And it says Bath and Body Works. We love that. For those, my kids and I love shopping there. There's more goodies in here. That is more than 5. Oh my goodness. Kathy, that is too much. But she has, look at the packaging with the bird. And then she's given me some beautiful trim. This has hints of pink and some of that nice green. And then this one, let me open it and see what this looks like. So here's our trim. That is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love adding that to our clusters and my journal pages and other projects. That is so beautiful. And then what do we have here is an ornament. But wait a minute. I wonder what it was that she had sent me. But this is a beautiful ornament. I love that it's made of fabric and it looks like layers and layers. You can see the folds there. What did you make this, Kathy? I hope you can tell me. And I would love to know. I'm definitely going to be hanging this on. We don't have a Christmas tree this year. We just have a small little kind of mini Christmas tree, but I will be hanging this over our fireplace. But thank you very much. That is amazing. Wait. I just saw something. Do you see the snowman? I love snowmans. Let's see if there are other images. Here we have candy cane, but that is such a cool ornament. Thank you so much. There is more goodies in here. Look at the way she has packaged this. There is a bunch of buttons and it is a glass little Christmas ball. That is super cool. Oh, it's a twist off and then you can see all the buttons in there. Where did you find this? This is so amazing. I love it. So I'm going to put that right there. This is too much. Let me make sure I got everything out. Let's put that beautiful bag right over here. And we can see it, hopefully, about right there. It's a little lopsided, but she has also shared some of these snowflake wood veneers, which are fun to paint and add to our holiday projects. So thank you very much. Oh my gosh. I am just amazed with the handmade items. Like this ornament is just amazing. This stocking is so unique. And then I love also your handmade topper here. Trying to figure out if it's an envelope, but it seems pretty solid. So I think this is a topper, and I love that you picked this particular print. It's really something I really love. That is amazing. And then we got our Julie Nutting handmade card here that I'm going to be using as a base for Slimline Journal. Love all the wonderful extras you have given me, and I love the fact that you sent me a Starbucks cup that represents where you're from. That is a great idea. Again, Kathy, thank you so much for swapping with me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Guys, check out their channels. Have fun watching it during the holidays. and I'll see you soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.